Let's talk about annotation quality and how to improve it using textada. When working with traditional annotation software, improving quality often means further training your team or revising annotation guidelines, which can take weeks or even months. But with textada, you might be done before lunch break. The key is to help the textada AI make better decisions. Let's look at an example to see how quickly and easily this can be done. This project is about sentiment analysis and has a positive and a negative category. Generally, the AI works best if provided with as many manual annotations as possible. Here, we've added 4. After clicking the Annotate button, browsing through the AI-based annotations reveals that most are correct, but not all of them. As you can see, the textada AI can easily deal with typos and grammatical issues, but performance can be lowered if your text contains extraneous content, such as advertising, fragments from automatically crawled texts, or artifacts from loading in CSV files. To ensure generating high-quality annotations, remember to clean your data before importing it into textada. Another simple but very effective strategy to improve AI performance is to provide feedback to the AI by accepting the correct annotations it suggests and correcting the faulty ones. While you can review annotations directly in each document, textada also offers a dedicated interface for doing so. Click on the light bulb icon at the top to open the active view. The active view shows a list of all the annotations that haven't been reviewed yet, including adjacent sentences to provide context. The list is sorted in a way to maximize the AI learning, making the active view an effective tool to improve AI performance. Simply start with the topmost item by reading the text and its suggested category, and then click one of the options on the right. We recommend reviewing at least 5 items for each category before running the AI again. There are situations where adding or reviewing annotations isn't enough. For example, this next sentence doesn't seem to fit into either of our 2 categories, as it's neither positive nor negative. This brings us to the second strategy to improve annotation quality: category refinement. You should rethink your categories if you find that they don't fit your data optimally. This can be the case, for example, when you face a sentence that doesn't fit into any of your categories. Conversely, there might be categories that apply to little or no sentences. Also, categories can sometimes overlap, making the decision of how to code certain sentences difficult. In such cases, you may want to add, remove, or merge categories. In the example, we'll add a category named ambiguous to cover sentences that are neither clearly positive nor negative. Back in the active view, if the suggested category is incorrect, click on Edit to adjust the categories, or on Incorrect if you currently don't know which category would be correct. To summarize, generally, the best way to improve the AI suggestions is increasing the amount of manual annotations. Additionally, you can provide important feedback to the AI by reviewing suggested annotations in the active view, which can be especially useful for particularly tricky categories. In order to achieve high annotation quality, it is also important to keep your categories well-defined and fitted to the needs of your project. If these steps do not suffice, you might want to consider improving your text quality. For more information, check out our documentation or contact us in our support forum. Thanks for using textada.